When we think of cybersecurity, we often think of some kind of super hacker trying to hack into a company's system for proprietary information that will make them millions. But cybersecurity is really about protecting your information. And all too often, these cyber criminals don't need some advanced knowledge of hacking. They just need access to a few tools that they can purchase online, and many times their target is much less sophisticated, such as ATMs. It may surprise you that these thieves have several tools at their disposal that can assist in stealing your card information and money within the 30 seconds you spend at your local ATM. They have card skimmers that can go over the card reader, which will harvest the card information once you insert your card. They also have keypad overlays that can lay right over the real keypad and gather PIN information. There are also tools that can be used for an attack known as a Lebanese loop. This is where the criminal inserts a thin device into the card reader that prevents the machine from releasing your card. And once the unsuspecting victim leaves the ATM, thinking the machine has malfunctioned, the fraudster can then come back and retrieve the card. Many times, in addition to these tools, they may also install very small cameras to gather PIN information. These criminals can even install cash trapping devices that catch and store money once it's dispensed from the ATM, making it appear as if no money was dispensed at all. And when the cardholder leaves to discuss the issue with the owner of that machine, the criminal can pull out the cash trapping device and your money with it. Now, the goal here isn't to deter you from using ATMs out of fear, because there are several things every single person can do to help protect their card and money. It starts with the ATMs you are using. Going to the same ATM as frequently as possible is a great start. If you are familiar with that device and the location, you are more likely to notice anything that has changed. It is always best to use ATMs that are in well-lit locations because the light will deter fraudsters from tampering with the machine. And you should also try to utilize the ATM at your local financial institution. Freestanding ATMs in stores and along places like shopping malls have way less monitoring, making them ideal for criminals to install their malicious gadgets. Regardless of the ATM you use, you should always complete a quick inspection. Check for any kind of damage to the machine, like cracks or drill holes. Maybe give a slight tug on the keypad and card readers to ensure there is no device overlay. If there is something, it'll come loose very easily. Also look for cameras around any information leaflets, inside drill holes that may be present, and really any area above the card reader that can easily see the PIN pad. And just in case, whenever inputting your PIN, it is good practice to cover the pad with one hand while you type in your PIN with the other. And just as a final precaution, if an ATM seems to be malfunctioning, try calling your financial institution for help instead of walking away to discuss the issue in person. This will avoid leaving your card unattended while the issue gets resolved.